A beautiful morning here. Hunt turkey. Turkey. All right, come on, Dabbles. Bring your ducks out, buddy. You guys ready this morning? There you go. It's going to be a nice day today. Who's in the pool first? A little bit of ice on the water. We need the icebreaker, Hermione. Oh, Maggie taking the win. What's going on back here, pup? Rufio up and ready? Rufio, you got your ladies up? Good. Go make sure it's safe. Mumbles and the ducks are loud. Go on, ladies. Mumbles! Good morning. You got April as your chaperone. Big wings today, big birds. It's gonna be a beautiful sunny day. Huh, pup?